The nation's fourth largest city is underwater this morning, and it's only going to get worse. Harvey is blamed for at least 2 deaths in Texas and has forced thousands of residents in Houston to leave their homes. CBS's Don Champion is in Houston, where forecasters say the slow-moving Harvey has at least 2 more days to go.
The Coast Guard spent the last 24 hours pulling people off roofs in Houston as Harvey left many residents with no way to go but up to safety. Thousands are leaving their homes and everything behind.
It's all just materialistic stuff that is always kept in your mind, and it's always going to be there in your mind, so it's good, but I mean, it's just hard.
The stories of dramatic rescues and close calls are seemingly endless. These are residents at the La Vida Bella Assisted Living Facility who waited for help in waist-deep water. This trucker was saved on live TV. This man realized too late exactly why officials are asking people not to drive under any circumstances. Nerves are frayed at many of the city's shelters where neighbors have little else but each other.
They're completely soaked. I mean, I don't even know what to say. They're not my kids, but I tell you what, I love them like they're my own. And I don't know them from Adam.
Initial predictions that the storm's worst would dump 40 inches of rain have been scrapped. That number now 50 inches, as Harvey's expected to still rain down for at least 2 more days. Cities and towns have been left almost unrecognizable. This used to be a bridge. This used to be a baseball field. This used to be Arlene Kelsch's backyard. Now it's home to 2 alligators. With countless more still in need of help, 4,000 National and State Guard troops are being brought in for relief and recovery efforts. Don Champion, CBS News, Houston.
So many people around the country are asking how they can help. In response, the mayor of Houston has set up the Hurricane Harvey Relief Fund to accept tax-deductible flood relief donations. It'll be run by the Greater Houston Community Foundation. For more information, you can head to ghcf.org.